Good morning, everyone. A warm and heartfelt welcome to the respected principal sir, dear teachers and students. This is Minakshi, and I wish to all the teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. Teaching is much more than just to get a paycheck. A teacher or an educator is a person who helps students to acquire knowledge, values, and improve their skills. He is actually an awakener. Today is 5th September, which marks as Teachers' Day in India. And this day is celebrated to honor the memory of India's first Vice President and second President, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, and to commemorate the importance of teachers in our lives. He was a staunch believer in education and began his career as a teacher before taking over politics. He was beloved by his students. Once, he was asked by some students who were seeking permission to celebrate his birthday. Dr. Radhakrishnan replied, "Instead of celebrating my birthday, it would be my proud privilege if 5th September is observed as Teachers' Day." Dr. Radhakrishnan will always remain as an inspiration for not only the students but also for the educators and teachers. He had not only gained respect from his students and people of India but also selflessly helped them as a professor, philosopher, mentor, author, diplomat, and a politician to become better citizens of India. India's first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru had once said about him, he has served his country in many capacities, but above all, he is a great teacher from whom all of us have learned much and will continue to learn. My dear students, becoming a teacher means making a difference in the lives of children, shaping them into the adults by giving them lessons that will last a lifetime. During lockdown, schools closed overnight. Students were liberated from schools, and schools remained closed for an extended duration, and we had only option of online teaching. Teachers served as the frontline workers of the educational system. They were tasked with implementing new teaching practices to promote student learning. And then a huge surge in search phrases like how to teach online, best online teaching platforms, online teaching tools, and online teaching techniques. Okay, then all this managed. After this challenge before us was, how can I maintain discipline? How can I prevent students from disrupting the classes? Oops, what to do for the network issues? How can I assure that students are really getting the lessons? How can I keep the children attentive? While parents were also worried about having the right hardware and setup at home. Well, everything is okay now. On this day, we honor teachers and thank them. But I would also say if we did hard work and efforts to provide you education, you and your parents were equally participated in online teaching learning process. We are grateful to our student as well as parents for their support and cooperation. And let us decide to concentrate on our studies and to perform our duties well. And with this, I wish you all the best. Thank you.